Hi everyone, I'm back here again, Savitri from Evo Creation. So I just wanted to briefly just talk about the sale going on my shop. I have 10% discount on everything on the jewelry on my shop because I am ready to launch a new set of jewelry. So I wanted to have discount on the current pieces, so please go check out that on my shop. And also, since I have never generated a discount code, so let me know if it's working or not. I'm really not really sure, so if you could just let me know that too. So there is that. So let me just flip my camera. It's just a short video. I wanted to just show all the pieces right now. I have mix of metal, beads, and then this is polymer clay. This one is little flexible because not too thick. And then I have this cutie here, and this is a longer piece. I just hung it there, so I tied a knot, but this is way longer than it comes like till here. Then this cutie piece right here. This is metal beads. And then this one comes with a set of earrings right here. And these are new. I never put them in my shop before, but this is available. This is all with metal beads. These are simple and you can wear it in day to day. This is in my shop and you can see how it looks. It's just 3 metal leaves and you can wear it on both sides actually. Now this one is also added new in my shop, and this comes in 2 options, silver and a gold option. So if you are checking this out, so just mention if you want a golden or the silver one. And then this is also a very cute piece, simple. Let me try to put it over here. This is just partly metal and then I think ceramic beads, and then this is just the wax thread, and this is not super heavy. This is cool. And then this piece here, these are this is a set of earrings, metal earrings with the the stone in right there. This one is made of polymer clay with those glittery stars, and then this is a wooden beads on that. This is one of my favorite piece. This is quite nice to wear it with any nice dress you want to. I mean, it's good for party and those good occasions. So yeah, this is very nice. So this is the one I have on my shop so far, so you can check these out and let me know if the coupon is working fine. And this one also comes with a set of earring. There are a couple of them comes with a set of earring, the rest all of them are just the only necklaces. So yeah, so there is this. So and then I have not made any new jewelry in some time because I've been just painting a lot lately, and I just switch between painting and jewelry, not consistent in don't have a schedule. It's just how my brain is at that point. If I feel like painting, I paint. If I feel like okay, now I want to make some jewelry or maybe some craft piece, I do that. So I have these wooden discs in some time, and they are very nice. I know you find them on craft stores, so I had them sitting with me for some time. So I thought I'll maybe make some necklace or maybe the earrings. So I went ahead and started making some of the earring pieces, which I can show you. I'll flip the camera one more time. These are the new one which I was talking about. So some of them I have done traditional sorry, not this one, like Madhubani style borders. So I have bunch of variety. Like this one is just all natural with the just a touch of this glass beads up here, so minimalistic. And these have shiny acrylic paint all coated nicely, and then the final coat with the sealer. And then this one half in the original wood finish, and the rest is painted. All of them are hand painted. In fact, these loops here I could not find big enough jump ring, so I made these loops all by hand. this portion. So I sort of like that design because it gives me flexibility. If I don't want to have beads on it, then I switch the loop. So I made those loop by hand, so it's mostly handmade, hand painted on natural wood, solid wood. So this is quite good. So this is what I was talking about. So I have done bunch of these pieces, and this is I'm running short on earring loop. So these are some of the pieces I have worked so far, and they will be available on my shop next week. Based on how the response is, or you can let me know in comments or something if you like those pieces, so I can make some more. Also, I had these rings which I ordered last year thinking that I'll make some bangles, but without realizing the size, so they came in like tiny baby's hand size. So I bought some of these wooden pieces from craft store. This is a bigger size, similar to this size. I glued them together with the fabric glue and everything. So I made pieces like this. So initially I wanted to put some resin and do some design, but I end up painting them with different styles. If I can show you, I poured the metallic paint, painted this way. Now this one here, I'm still working on this one. So they will be necklaces. So I will do some resin pour in some of them, and some of them I'll just keep it painted with hand and all the style, so that it gives you an option of having a little bit heavier one or a lighter one. If I don't pour resin, just do the paint, it will be a lighter one. And then I personally like lighter on my neck, because I'll get a lot of pain on my shoulders and the neck. So that way everybody have an option. Yeah, I'm wearing this is my 5-year-old daughter made it for me, so I'm rocking it. So yeah, this is what I wanted to talk about. Also, I have these lovely coasters, wooden coaster there, so check these out too. There are 6 wooden coasters. So yeah, so I have a bunch of these things, check them out. And then these all new earrings and necklaces will be available next week. And then I would love to see some of the responses. If you think they are good, I can customize them based on what is your preference. So yeah, thank you. Check out my shop.